Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Trust Wallet. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a wallet wherein you can store your coins or your crypto. So as you can see, we have it here on Trustpilot, and they're basically rated 1.2 out of 5 stars, which is bad, and they have over 1,000 reviews. So let's see some reviews here. Everything about them doesn't match what they do. Went above and beyond. They replied much faster than expected. I don't know why it's rated 1 star here. So don't turn the pages yet. News, avoid online scam. Blah blah blah. I'm thoroughly impressed. I don't know why it's also rated 1 star. The involvement of the team. An excellent interaction. I don't know. This is the same comment as earlier. I don't know why there are bots commenting on this Trustpilot. So never received the money. Bad wallet. I'll suggest never to use them. Biggest scam wallet in the world. And more bots promoting GZ Pack. I don't know who this guy is. GZ Pack. Lost access to your assets. Very insincere. Trust Wallet. Let someone open an account in my name and email. I can't even contact them. Fraudulent account of their system and verify people opening accounts. And let's see some more of them. No support available. Just FAQs. When I emailed. Tried to convert USDT to Tron. And it didn't work. And basically a lot of 1-star reviews here on Trustpilot. So please avoid using them since there are a lot of people saying that they're really bad. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.